Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. So we're all stuck at home, forced to be inside and trying to come up with things to do. And so today I just wanted to take you behind the scenes on a little spruce up in my own home. Now, I've been kind of busy over the last few years with having our house being hit by a couple of natural disasters and having kids and running a business. And so a lot of areas in and around my home are what I would say 80% done, 75% done. And one thing that's sorely missing in almost all of the rooms that I have in my home are, number one, the smaller finishing touches, and then even some of the bigger, more spectacular pieces that I'm waiting for, holding out for when I find the perfect antique. So since we're all locked down, I'm not gonna go out looking for the perfect antique at this moment, but I am gonna add a few little finishing touches throughout my home to add a little bit more warmth and coziness and completeness to my rooms. Now, I know a lot of us are facing a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, and maybe even family members that have gotten sick from the virus that's going around. And I don't send out these videos to be insensitive to that. I truly just want to share my knowledge, my gifts, what me and my team know to help kind of make some lemonade out of the lemons that are coming our way all day, every day. So I hope you enjoy these quick little spruce ups that I'm about to share with you. Whenever I have a piece of artwork that I want to place into a bookshelf or in a piece of furniture, I need an art easel. These are my favorite ones. I get them from Village Antiques, and I swung by and got a couple of them to arrange my artwork beautifully inside of a few shelves. But I'm just gonna lean perfectly against it and then close my door, step back and take a look, just to give a little texture and color behind my cabinet door. I love seasonal decor just sprinkled throughout my house. Of course, at Christmas time, that's easy to do, but other times of the year, it's really hard. So I was super excited to find these beautiful beads that I'm gonna use to lay across a bundle of books. You could do this across some towels and a powder bath, or to bundle up some fabric, or just lay across a nightstand anywhere, over a bowl, anywhere you can imagine. This would be an easy lay down and add a little decor into your space. One thing that's sorely lacking in my home are trays. I always advise anyone and everyone to get trays because they can go on coffee tables, nightstands, on your dresser, in your closet, even in your kitchen. And so I was super excited to find this very beautiful kind of old gold antique mirror glass tray at Village Antiques, which I'm gonna use to put under what I call the pelican painting. You might have heard me talk about this before. Husband was not really a fan of it, but it looks so beautiful in this little vignette. I'll be adding little spruce ups throughout my home every day, so be sure to follow us and stay tuned so you can see what I'm doing as I go along. And I'd love to hear your opinion on what you love and what you don't love. And while you're at it, do me a favor and share me some of your project ideas. I'd absolutely love to hear what you're doing in your home. Till next time, keep on keeping on.